Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the winning results of team generator software. And in this video consists of lot of topics I'm going to cover, and I'm going to show you the winning percentage of the software, and also I'm going to show you the accuracy of the software with a lot of proofs, and also I'm going to show plenty of the tips that you need to use to win the grand leagues and all. So as I told you that this video consists of three topics. One is I'm going to show you the winning proof and the efficiency of the software, and the second thing I'm going to show you the best tips to use the software, and also the third thing is how many teams that are required to crack the grand leagues in whatever the fantasy application that you are using. So basically हमको हिंदी थोड़ा आता है. I am from South India, so try to understand English. I am going to use simple English, and try to understand and watch this video completely to the end. Definitely it is going to help you for sure. So first of all, the winning proofs and the winning screenshots of team generator software users, and the first one here is the amount of 15 lakh rupees, and it is a little older screenshot of 1 month ago, and one of our user won 15 lakh rupees by using the software. And the contest, the section he used in the software is advanced generation section in our software. And the second screenshot, it is a very recent one. I mean the ongoing ICC World T20 Cup, I think it is 2 days ago. You can see one of our user won 3 lakh rupees, and he is used a smart generation section. So he have used smart generation section in our software, and the winning amount is 3 lakh rupees. And also another recent one, and I mean it is a last night match between South Africa versus Sri Lanka in ICC World T20. One of our user won 2 lakh rupees, and he have used smart generation section to create the teams in our software, and he only used 3 teams. That means he only created 3 teams from the software to get the first rank, second rank in the Grand League. Just missed the first rank. And it is also a recent one, and the screenshot of 4th rank in a mega grand league, and he got 1 lakh rupees. And this is a little older match. It is, I think it is a T10 match, and it is another screenshot of 1 lakh rupees from another user, and this is a match between Australia versus West Indies, and the winning amount is 1,06,000. All these screenshots, or whatever the winning proof I am showing, all these screenshots are from the users, and I am very transparent about the winning screenshots. I will show if my user won 1,000 rupees. I will also show if my user won 1 lakh rupees. There is no discrimination. If someone gets some good amount, I will definitely show, and there is no need to cheat anyone for us. And I am the developer of this software, and I don't have even 0.1% to cheat anyone and to promote any fake products. So this is a 1 lakh rupees context, and another screenshot of 9,600 rupees, and it is a mini GL of 26,000 spots, and one of our user got first rank, and he got an amount of 9,500 for the first rank. And so let's analyze the more details and more screenshots. And another screenshot of 30,000 rupees. It is from IPL, and one of our user got first rank in MyFab11 application. It is not Dream11 application, I think it is a MyFab11, and he have used smart generation section, and 20 teams he have created, and he got 30,000 rupees from the MyFab11 fantasy application. And another screenshot of 9,500 rupees, another GL, and another mini GL. He only used 4 teams, and he got the first rank by using that 4 teams only, by using the software. And also let's analyze. I'm not showing the phone numbers of my users because of their privacy purpose. That is the only reason why I am not showing their mobile numbers. So another screenshot of one of our user. It is a very mega grand league, and he got 13th rank out of 7 lakh teams. So he got an amount around 8.5k, I mean 8,500. And also let's analyze another screenshot, and it is from the T10, and he won 20,000 rupees, and from the software. And also let me show you more screenshots quickly. There are a lot of screenshots available, but I'm going to make this video little short. That's why only few of them I am showing in this video. So another 10k, and one of our user won 10,000. It is a mega grand league from the IPL. 55 lakh teams. Out of 55 lakh teams, one of our user got 55th rank, and I mean 55 rank, just missed the GL. If vice captain is good, then he would have won 1 crore rupees. That is a very close match. And another one, and he only got 2,000 rupees. I think it is from the bat ball 11. So these are the screenshots, and few left. Let me show few more. And one of our user from the IPL got 17th rank out of 12 lakh teams, and just missed the GL and won around 8,500 rupees. And likewise, you can see another screenshot of 6,000 rupees. He got the first rank in MyFab 11, and it is a mini GL. And let's analyze more details. And it is going to be 9,500 screenshot again. We have used only 4 teams, and he got 9.5k rupees for the contest winning. And also another screenshot of 4,000 rupees. I think it is a 4,000 rupees winning screenshots. Not only these, there are a lot more screenshots available, but for making this video I have selected few of them only. And there are hundreds of screenshots available, and many users won lot of money. And this is the 11th rank, and he got 5k rupees. And another screenshot of 5,900 rupees, and this is the section he have used his quick grand league section for creating the teams. And another screenshot of 5,000 rupees, and the same user won many times. And you can see this is the same user won many times by using our software. And another user who have won 25,000 in the bat ball 11, and you can see the first rank amount is 25,000. So these are the screenshots, and so these are the screenshots of our team generator software. There are plenty of screenshots available in my laptop, and in order to make this video little short, I have selected only few of them. And there are a lot more screenshots, and many satisfied users are there, and by using the software they have won a lot of money. Not only the first and second rank, they are winning consistent amount of consistent profit. Not only the grand leagues, they are winning small leagues also. I mean, consistent profit is also there using the software. So let's analyze the best tips to create the teams in our software. Till now I have shown you the results of team generator software, efficiency of the software. The efficiency of the software and winning percentage will be from the software. It will be, you will definitely win the profit almost every day. And if that was your day, you might get first rank in grand leagues also. So let's analyze the best tips as I told to you. And in our software we have plenty of generating sections. And first of all, let's talk about quick small league section in our team generator software. So it is a very useful section for small leagues, and if you don't have much knowledge on that match, then go for the quick small league section for small league teams. If you want small league teams and if you don't have good knowledge on that match, then you should go with the quick small league section in our software. And one of the most powerful section in our software is advanced generation section. So you can see, and use this section, mostly very powerful section, because if you have some good knowledge on that match and use those knowledge along with the software, and it is a very powerful section. The 15 lakh user won advanced generation section. Use the advanced generation section to win those 15 lakh rupees. And also another section called smart generation section, which is a very new section in our software, and it is proven to be very effective for mega grand league sections, and many of my users are winning lot of money by using smart generation section. So it is a very specifically built for grand leagues and mega grand leagues winning. And these are the best tips you should need to follow while creating the teams. And I suggest you to go for the advanced generation section and the smart generation section in our software to create the teams for the grand leagues. And for the small leagues, you should go for the quick small league section in our software. So first of all, and how many teams you need to crack the GL? This is a very popular question. Many of my users asking this question. So you should go with 5 to 6 teams. Actually 5 to 6 teams are completely fine if you are using advanced generation section. So if you are using advanced generation section effectively, 5 to 6 teams are completely fine. And but actually the point here is that more the teams, more will be the winning chance. If you join more teams, you will have more chances of winning. That is most of you already know. And for example, if you have 100 rupees as the budget, if you have only 100 rupees, if you don't have much money, for example, if you have only 100 rupees as the budget, I suggest you to go with I suggest you to not to go with two teams. Only two teams are 50 rupees contest in Dream11 or whatever the application. Don't join only two teams with that 100 rupees. I suggest you to join 20 teams of 5 rupees contest. Instead of joining two teams with 50 rupees, I suggest you to join 20 teams of 5 rupees contest, so that you have higher chances of winning. So it is always a better idea to go with 20 teams with 5 rupees with 5 rupees contest, rather than two teams with 50 rupees contest, because you cannot expect much with only two teams. But with 20 teams or 11 teams or 20 teams, you can expect some good results, because we have higher chances of covering all the combinations. Software will have higher chances to cover most combinations, and eventually you will definitely win. So these are the tips that you need to follow while creating the teams in our software. And I'm happy about what I have shown in this video, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to follow each and every tip that I have shared in this video. And it is a very trusted process. Keep trust the software. You will definitely earn a lot of money. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, that's when you can dislike this video. And thanks for watching, and consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.